Apple's long, rumored foldable smartphone might have just been revealed in a new leak. Fresh renders have appeared online showing what the upcoming foldable iPhone could look like, and according to insiders, these images may have actually come directly from Apple's internal files. If the reports are accurate, these renders could be one of the clearest looks yet at Apple's first foldable phone. The device is expected to launch later this year alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max, marking Apple's official entry into the foldable smartphone market. The images were shared by a well-known industry insider who has a strong track record for accurate leaks. Because of that history, many analysts believe the renders may have been taken directly from Apple's own internal design files. If that turns out to be true, then we may already know exactly how Apple's foldable phone will look months before its official announcement. The first thing people noticed about these renders is that the foldable iPhone doesn't look exactly like most existing foldable smartphones. Instead of closely copying the design used by devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, the overall shape appears to be closer to the Huawei Pure X. That means Apple may be taking a slightly different approach to foldable design. For years, Apple avoided launching a foldable phone, even as other companies entered the market. One of the biggest reasons for that delay was reportedly the crease problem found on foldable displays. Most foldable phones have a visible line in the center of the screen where the display bends. This crease can sometimes be seen or felt when using the device. Apple reportedly wanted to eliminate that crease completely before releasing its own foldable phone. The company aimed to create a foldable display that would look perfectly smooth from any viewing angle. However, according to recent reports, achieving a completely invisible crease has proven extremely difficult. While Apple may not have fully eliminated it, sources suggest that the crease on the foldable iPhone will be much less noticeable than on many other foldable devices. That alone could make Apple's device stand out in the market. Another interesting detail revealed by the leaked renders is the shape of the display when the phone is unfolded. Instead of a tall inner display like many foldable phones, the foldable iPhone may be wider than it is tall when fully opened. Some insiders believe this design choice is intentional. The idea is that Apple may want users to treat the unfolded device more like a small tablet, similar to an iPad. A wider display could make tasks like reading, watching videos, browsing the web, and multitasking more comfortable. If this approach works well, the foldable iPhone could feel like carrying both a smartphone and a compact tablet in the same device. The leaked renders also reveal another detail about the front camera. The main foldable display appears to include a punch-hole camera located in the top left corner of the screen. This is slightly different from many foldable phones that place the camera in other positions. Small details like this may help give the device its own identity in the crowded foldable market. Apple is not the only company preparing for competition in this category. Samsung is also working on new foldable devices that could directly compete with Apple's upcoming phone. Reports suggest that Samsung may release a special device called the Samsung Galaxy Z Wide Fold. This model is expected to be designed specifically to challenge Apple's foldable iPhone. Interestingly, that device may launch alongside the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 later this year. That means the foldable smartphone market could become much more competitive very soon. Until now, most leaks about Apple's foldable phone have agreed on the general design. However, there has been a lot of confusion about the exact dimensions of the device. Different reports have suggested different screen sizes and body measurements, making it difficult to know exactly what the final product will look like. If these newly leaked renders are truly from Apple's internal systems, then they might finally confirm the real design of the device. For Apple fans and tech enthusiasts, this is a big moment. The company has waited years before entering the foldable market, and expectations are extremely high. Now that these renders have surfaced, the mystery surrounding Apple's first foldable iPhone may finally be starting to fade. And if the design shown in these images is real, Apple's entry into the foldable world could look very different from what many people originally imagined.